How to recover Google account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can recover Google account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to recover Google account, go to google.com, click the sign in option. If you had remembered your password, you would be able to enter your email and password and log in, but since we don't remember our password, we will click the forgot password option. Once you click on forgot password option, it will ask you to verify your phone number that you had added in the security settings. If you have not added a phone number but you had added a secondary email, you can also confirm using that email. If you hadn't added any of those, neither a phone number, neither an email, then that's very unfortunately you will not be able to recover that Google account, because there's no other way you can prove to Google that the person trying to verify is you. So if you had added some other phone number, you're lucky. You can basically enter those number here after selecting the code. After entering the phone number, click on next. It will send a verification code to that phone number, and after you've done that, you should be able to successfully go ahead and then recover your Google account. This way you can recover Google account. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.